Okay, Blazers. So today I got my package. I got my package from OD Collectives, my brand ambassador package. Fuck it up. Hey. So yeah, shipping was easy. Purchasing was easy. I have a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing anything after this video. Link in the description. Click like, share, subscribe. Y'all know the fucking deal. But so yeah, let's get into it. Like, I'm so excited for this. Like, I'm gonna try this stuff on if it's wearable. I mean, of course it's wearable. It's clothes. What am I saying? I'm so slow. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, welcome back. So, let's get into it. Let's get fucking Japan, you guys. Like, I'm excited. It's just Japanese streetwear. Like, who doesn't love Japanese streetwear? Like, this is pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much. What in the world? So this is the beanie that I wanted, of course. I love the beanie. Yes. Tokyo Gods. This beanie's awesome. We'll get into that. What is this though? I'm highly interested in what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a harness thing, the back thing. Oh, this is cool. Awesome. Oh, I like this. Okay. So, I believe we put it on like this. Goes forward, right? Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Lit. Hook it up then. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be ordering more stuff. Like, this is kind of cool. This one was free. Like, I didn't even... Thank you guys. I like this. This is kind of cool. Don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but might use this for, an upcoming video or something. Let's see. This comes down. It's like a different type of pocket. Okay. This is kind of cool. I like it. Alright, cool. And the style, like, it's not too low, it's not too high, like, it's just right. I like this. Sorry, it's like all low and stuff. Like, I'm redoing my little setup area for my videos and stuff more, so. But yeah, guys, this is the bag. I don't know what the name of this bag is, but you guys can definitely go check it out on their website. Link is in my description. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you, OD Collectives, for this opportunity. I am excited. Yeah, I'm gonna go put on an outfit and try this on and take some pictures. So, little picture montage. Fuck it up.